Hello, my name is Ugur Yilmaz, and this is my application for Software Sustainability Institute Fellowship for the year 2023. I will first start by introducing myself and my organization briefly and why I want to be a fellow. Then I will move into my proposal with giving some background information about what it is and why it is important. I am working as a DevOps engineer in Secure Kilometer Observatory, SKO. I have graduated with an electrical and electronics degree and have a master's in computer science. After working as a software engineer in test for 5 years in a defense industry, I have started working with SKO in the UK as a DevOps engineer to develop, maintain software infrastructures, and advocate best practices for continuous integration and deployment to many developers. SKA is an observatory that's building world's largest radio telescope arrays in the world with institutions around the globe. It's a huge project with many science goals, which I won't go into detail here, but we currently have 27 software development teams across 16 countries working towards the same mission. To achieve this scale of development, we have set up tools and processes to support the SKA software development, and we think that scientific community could benefit from what we have learned along the way, and we want to share it as well. One focus point of our software development lifecycle is continuous integration and deployment, and I think this may be sometimes a skipped step for research software development. I would like to highlight that CI/CD is important because it enables built-in quality with automated tests and early feedback, reproducibility in the software with controlled and automated versioning, build and release processes, sustainability in the long term that makes it easy to contribute, collaborate when developing software, and it provides a readable single source of truth for discovery. It also does this while keeping the security in mind in each stage. That's why we have developed a set of tools and templates that developers can use out of the box to support their software for continuous integration and deployment, and we call this pipeline machinery. It currently supports all artifacts types that SQL produces and used in nearly 200 software packages. I want to carry the torch in the community by proposing a series of workshops to increase CI/CD adoption in research softwares by providing the same or similar templates that we have been using. They can be integrated into any software development lifecycle that focus on the best practices with lessons applied from SQL. To this end, my initial suggestion includes two face-to-face and/or online workshops that is also integrated to software carpentry. First is about how you can package your software using a CI/CD pipeline to make it more accessible and reusable, preferably using containers. This is to lay some foundation while increasing awareness. Some foundation knowledge about the whole thing and the toolings that we use. And the second is a full tutorial to release a software package from first commit under 15 minutes, which focuses on the whole pipeline machinery. By doing these workshops, I aim to have more alignment between researchers regarding CI/CD and help those without software background to get them on board with the best CI/CD practices to deliver a reusable, quality and security-focused software that is also easy to maintain. I also want to reach out to a larger portion of scientific astronomy community in the process if I can. To deliver my proposal, I already have a working pipeline machinery that's used in over 200 projects for more than a year in SKAO. I have also given multiple workshops and written a lot of written tutorials about pipeline machinery while improving it and improving the workshops and tutorials with the feedback we got from many developers. I do lack some experience with explaining these things to an audience, especially without software background, so I'm hoping instructor tutorial may help me there to hone my skills further. I also need community support and uptake to deliver the workshops and socialize them, and I require necessary logistics to help me and researchers to get together to implement CI/CD and best practices around it in their as part of their software development lifecycle. Thank you for listening to me, and um, I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.